We're gonna do an ab-focused workout today. It's gonna be shadowboxing, something you can do at home. You don't need equipment. I do have some weights here, and that's for myself because I like a little bit of resistance. But we're about to get into just a little bit of a warm-up, so I want you guys to kind of just move your arms around. I don't want anybody to get hurt, so we're going to about 2.5 minutes of warm-up. Okay, just some arm circles real quick. Circle it around, circle it around. Okay, sounds good, feels good. Reverse it, reverse it. Want to get these shoulders loose. Don't want these shoulders to be tight, you know? Let's get a little bit more of a bigger one. All right, cool. Now we're gonna do some twists. Okay. Put your hands together to your chest. Just turn. You wanna just do a little bit to get loose, then we're gonna jump into some jumping jacks. Hope you got that. Here we go. Let's go, about 30 seconds. Yeah. It's important to be loose, not be too tight. You wanna get that blood flowing all throughout your body. Today is gonna be pretty tough because people don't really work on their core that much, but it's an important thing to work on. I can say that for myself. I don't even focus on it as much as I should, but I will going forward, especially getting ready for the summer. Now we're gonna do some leg stretches real quick. Just gonna open our legs like a V, straight down. Go to this side, just hold it, about 10 seconds. Hope you feel that in the back part of your hamstring. Very good, cross it over. Put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the middle, about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little bit of light squats here. Just go down slow. Oh, you hear that cracking? That's why we do it slow. You wanna make sure, take your time on these squats. Take your time. Okay. Do a lunge if you can. Okay, we're gonna try to open up this hip flexor a little bit. One lunge, then with another lunge. Okay. A lunge is like this. If you've never seen one before, you want to be about 90 degrees. This is gonna do a lot for your hip flexor, your quads. All right, first one we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a 1-2-1, which is a jab, cross, jab, cross. We're gonna add some motion at the end, which I'm gonna just do a roll, or I'm gonna step off. Okay, let's go. Left foot forward, right hand in the back. Roll. 1, 2, 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, 1, 2, roll. Jab, cross, roll. Now, when I'm rolling, I'm actually stepping too. So you can do that. You can roll and step. 1, 2, 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, 1, 2, roll. Remember too, guys, we want to pour that jar out when we finish these punches, okay? Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross, step. Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross, roll. This way. We're about to go into a HIIT. This one is going to be mountain climbers. We're going to get down on our knees and bring our knees to our chest. Like this. Starting to work on that lower ab. Ten seconds left. You can bring it up slower. Just bring it up. 5 seconds, 15-second rest here. We're about to go into a 2-3-2. That is a cross, hook, cross. In your boxing stance, if you don't know how to get into it, take one step forward, one step back, and just sit right here. Stay here with it, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross. This way, cross, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross, cross, hook, cross. Hitting a high guard. Put your elbows on your hips and turn and throw. Pull it back, hook, turn and throw again. That's it. I'll show you this side. Cross, hook, cross, 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 cross, hook, cross. Yeah. Cross, hook, cross. 5-second rest. We're gonna go into crunches. Let's do it. I like to put my legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't like to pull my neck when I do these because I think it puts strain on your neck. But when you're doing these crunches, you can slow it down. Just focus on contraction. Focus on the crunch, the compression. Okay? There you go. All right. This next one's fun. One jab, cross, slip, cross, and then we're gonna move. Remember to pour that water out the jug. Okay? Get in a bladed stance. That's like this. Okay? When we throw that jab, we're gonna step with it. So 1, 2, slip, 2, move. Okay? Again. 1, 2, slip. Sorry. 1, 2, slip, 2, move. Okay? That's a pivot. 1, 2, slip, 2, move. 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 1, 2, slip, 2, roll. 1, 2, slip, 2, move. Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross, slip, cross. Jab, cross, slip, cross, move. Jab, cross, slip, cross, move. Get it back here in the middle. Jab, cross, slip, cross, move. Jab, cross, slip, cross, roll. Okay, 5 seconds. Go in a Russian twist. I'm gonna grab some weight for this one. Russian twist goes like this. You're gonna be on your legs up to the side, elbows down. Bow, 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 bow. Just like that. Okay? I added weight. You don't have to have weight. You can just simply do it with your body weight. Trust me, you're gonna feel it on your obliques. Okay? Try to keep your legs up. That engages your lower abs. There we go. 15-second rest. Going into the next move. This is going to be a jab, cross, hook move, and we're going to uppercut and throw a hook. Uppercut, hook. Like the last one. Jab, cross, hook, roll, uppercut, hook. Jab, cross, hook, roll, uppercut, hook. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Just like that. This is pretending as if you're getting into position to put some damage on somebody. Jab, cross, hook. Okay. Dip. Jab, cross, hook. Uppercut, hook. 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 Nice. We're gonna go into some 6 inches. Keep your legs 6 inches off the ground. Goes like this. Hold it. If you can't hold your legs up, You can put your arms out like this, help your body. You need to put your head back, you can. It's okay. Oh yeah, you can feel this. This is why it's on the 4th round. 10 seconds. Yeah. One of my favorites. This is hard. All right, this last one, it's gonna be lightning punches. It's gonna be jab cross. I'm gonna say a number, and I want you to throw that many hooks too. You'll see what I'm saying. So, let's keep the speed. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Notice how I'm rotating? I'm coming with it. Okay? All right. I'm gonna say 2. 1, 2. Back to lightning punches. 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. You're low with them. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. Bring them up high. Get low. High. Get low. Yeah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 hooks. Back to it. Try to keep your form. And try to turn. It makes it easier. 2, 1, 2. Back to it. One more time. 2, 1, 2. Back to it. Let's go. All right. We're gonna end it with the favorite. We're gonna plank. Get down. Try to keep your butt flat. Not gonna say much this time. Try not to move. Try to stay still. Squeeze your stomach. Okay? Squeeze your stomach. Nice. Listen, you made it through. This is a good way to do a little bit of something to get you a whole lot of benefit. So if you like it, please click the like button and please subscribe and check out the next videos where we're gonna actually go over some additional exercises for working out. I'm doing them with you. We're on this journey together. Let's go, champ. Peace.